For nearly 100 years, the world-class designers and engineers at Jaguar have created a perfect blend of powerfully responsive performance vehicles with stop-in-your-tracks dramatic design. Jaguar prides itself on creating an experience that evokes a feeling in the driver through top speeds and sleek design. This 1959 Jaguar XK150 open two-seater is a timeless classic that emotes the essence of stature, class, elegance, and undeniable head-turning craftsmanship. Extremely rare, the production of this model ceased in 1960, with less than 3,000 of the cars produced. If the car makes the man, then the 1959 Jaguar XK150 has produced one of the most iconic men of modern times, Oscar-winning icon Clint Eastwood. Mr. Eastwood has a long history with the 1959 Jaguar XK150 that dates back to its original release. It's no secret the 1959 Jaguar XK150 has gone ahead and made his day. This car has the good fortune of being the last in its series. With constant improvements and near perfection with each iteration, the 1959 Jaguar XK150 is the finest, most well-made of its series. A Concours winner, the 1959 XK150 underwent revisions to the body, which included a taller beltline, a larger interior, a leather-wrapped dashboard, a one-piece windshield, and for the first time in the open two-seater, roll-up windows. With its imperial rich maroon exterior coloring, well-appointed black leather interior, and all-leather grey dashboard, this car is stunning in every way. Under the hood lies a high-performance 3.4-litre DOHC straight-six XK engine with twin 1.75-inch SU HD6 carburetors and a B-type cylinder head with larger exhaust valves, offering an impressive 210 SAE brake horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute. The 1959 Jaguar XK150 will take you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.0 seconds, reaching a top speed of 135 miles per hour. This 1959 Jaguar XK150 can be part of your collection. Make an appointment to experience this classic firsthand at Throttle Stop's world-class showroom, located in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, just outside of Road America Racetrack. Throttle Stop's owners and staff members are lifelong enthusiasts who enjoy the perfect balance of performance and design. We welcome all to come pick our brains, tour the facility, and experience how we live, driven by passion.